Good morning, or rather mid-morning. We are on our way. I can't even see myself, there we go. We are on our way to see some aeroplanes. Today is Sunderland Airshow day. So we're just walking down, trying to find a quiet area to stand and watch it. Or rather a quieter route to get to it, rather than the massive crowd of people.
So things get underway in the skies at 12 o'clock in 20 minutes time.
20 minutes.
Thank you for clearing the beach to allow the Falcons drop zone to be set up. And if you want to talk to members of the Falcons team, their ground display unit is on the road just by where the drop zone is there on the beach.
You happy?
Just opposite the amusement arcade,
just look in the sky over
just
there.
north of the Marriott Hotel.
So this is what happens
12 o'clock,
on...
we'll be getting underway with the
Sunderland
RAF Falcons
Airshow,
parachute display.
In Sunderland Airshow, you may not really hear us, but this is what it's like. There's the army people as well. So it's dead canny. I love air shows, and it's never sunny on an air show.
That's a good thing, because I can look at the sky.
It hurts your eyes. Oh, you've got to wear glasses and then you can't really see it anyways.
12 o'clock news, the flight will start. Gary Phillips will take you into the afternoon.
The time for success.
Ladies and gentlemen, take as many pictures as you can. Remember, hashtag RAF Falcons, share them with us on every social media you can.
Look guys, look in the sky. In the background there. Makes you proud to be British, doesn't it? Let's have some appropriate music, I think. And the rest of the days. You can see the torpedoes slung underneath it there. And perhaps the swordfish.
Seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when your answer ain't to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away.
specialist echo sounding equipment. These highly trained Royal Marines are often deployed from helicopters or specialist insertion craft onto any hostile beach to provide the essential confirmation that the beach can support a landing and to update the command team back on ship to the enemy situation. If there is a friendly force casualty, at this stage they would have to be left and treated. The smaller of the 13.5 tons.
Show's finished and now we're having a walk around this little park, and then look, they've just got like a load of helicopters and like the proper navy stuff. Are you like walk under here? Just hopefully the propeller doesn't think you. So we're just what about the noisy plane? Was it noisy?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Whoa.
What is it? Helicopter?
Yeah.
Shall I have a look at some more? Oh look. And they're letting some people like go on it as well. My lipstick is all over the place, but never mind that. So it's quite canny how they're letting kids and stuff go on it. So we'll see if he's allowed. You're in the helicopter. Let's go down there then.
Have a look.
Wow. We'll go stand in there and I'll take a picture. Look guys. Look guys.
Oh, home. Haven't long been home. Maybe she's being tickled while he's on the toilet. His mum's in a right wind-up mood tonight.
Don't tell them.
Yeah, just got home. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm going to bed. My feet are throbbing. No, and your feet are just pulsing because they're so sore. Honestly, I'm so exhausted. It's been a lovely day, but the weather was a bit rubbish and it was nowhere near as good as last year, unfortunately.
Well, the red arrows were in there, which is what really spoiled it.
Yeah, we're really looking
like
for
that's
the
the
red
one
arrows.
thing that people want to see there.
Yeah,
but the military thing was really good.
Yeah.
That was like, it was.
Shame I couldn't see it. Look, guys, come on, that's not very nice.
But I don't know if you need to tell them what it was because it was a bit confusing.
Well, basically, the military, the army, set up an enemy patrol on the beach, and the army had to deploy on the beach, and they were using blank bullets and
bombs and stuff.
explosives. It was really good, but everybody, we were sitting there and it was literally on the beach right in front of where we were sitting, and everybody on the whole thing, on the whole PRC from whatever, just came and stood in front of us. We tried to stand on the rocks to see, but it was a bit, you couldn't really see.
Come on.
So come on, little man, we'll go to bed now.
I'm gonna say night-night. Lucas isn't.
So we're gonna say night-night now. I'm gonna get Lucas straight into bed, straight to sleep, because he is, despite popular belief, very tired. So I'm gonna say night-night. So night-night.
Wait, not your turn.
Mommy's turn.
Night-night.